All right, guys. So this video is going to be on the commas worksheet that you have for December 10th, Thursday. It's on dates. So let me share my screen with you. Okay. So this is your worksheet on dates. So all you need to know to complete this worksheet is in this section right here. This punctuation pointer is everything you're going to need to use to complete this worksheet, and it's going to make it so easy for you. Okay, so our punctuation pointer says to use a comma to separate the day of the month and the year. Abigail was born on November 17th, 1998. Whenever you have three items, you have the month, you have the day of the month, and you have the year, you need a comma after the month. Use a comma to separate the day of the month and the year. And that's it. Okay? When you have all three things, your comma goes in between the day of the month and the year. That's it. Okay? Take a look here. You don't need a comma if it's just the month and the date of or the month and the year. Okay? So look here. Abigail was born on November 17th. It's just the month and the day of the month. You don't need a comma if it's just the month and the date. That's it. You don't need a comma at all there. Abigail was born on November 17th. That's correct. No comma is needed. Or if it's the month and the year. Abigail was born in November 1998. It's the month and the year. You don't need a comma if it's the month and the year. So this is correct right here. Abigail was born in November 1998. You do not need a comma separating November and 1998. So now it's the typical setup that we normally have. It says put a C in front of each sentence that is punctuated correctly, or put a check in front of each sentence that is not correct, that they need to check their answer to. And number one, Ben got his first job mowing lawns on May 16th, 1997. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I see that a I have a month, I have a date, and I have a year. Come up here. This is my example for my month, my date, and my year. I only have a comma after that day. Right here, they added an extra comma. Do we need that? Absolutely not. We do not need it because it only needs to go between the day of the month and the year. So this is incorrect. They need to check their answer. Number two, swimming lessons will start at the YMCA on June 15th. Okay, now I have a month and I have a date. I have the day of the month. So come up here. If it's just the month and the date, like this one, November 17th, you don't need a comma. Let me check. Nope, no comma. So this one is correct. Okay, that's all you're doing through here. You're matching up what you see there with something up here. And you're determining if it's correct or incorrect. Whenever it is incorrect, please change it and X out the commas that shouldn't be there or add commas to where they do need to be, just like I did here. Okay? All right. Good luck. Have fun.